Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Sagittarius. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Sagittarius. I'll be picking few cards for your daily energies and few cards for what you and your person feel about this connection, about the situation, and few cards for your message from your person, guys. Sagittarius, today you are really happy about how things are happening in your life, about your relationship or about your work, how things are falling into place, and you are contemplating about your actions, what you need to do, and so you are really happy today, guys. You are feeling that accomplishment in your heart, success, and that security, stability in your life. So also in this relationship you feel very secure or safe with this person. Maybe this is your person's energy towards you, guys. They feel really stable and secure with you, and they are really happy. They feel this relationship has a good emotional understanding. You both match each other's emotional status. You have great understanding, and that attraction and love and affection is there in this relationship. So let us pick more cards, guys. Let us see what is coming up to get us a better clarity of your situation. And you also feel this person is very devoted to you, guys. They are loyal to you, they love you for what you are, and you're really feeling charmed with this person, and you're feeling that that great attraction to this person. Maybe for some of you all, you may feel you may be having little doubts about this relationship. You may feel that this may not be true, because the way you feel in this relationship is just out of the world. So you may think that it may be a false, this person may be false, and they may be trying to cheat you, or you may be having some doubts because of your past experiences, and you are doubting how things are happening so beautifully in this relationship. But with this card, I feel that doubt in your mind is just going to clear out, Sagittarius. You are going to see the truth in this relationship and with this person, and things are going great for you guys. So there is a good chance that you will get committed to this person, and you will be married and be in a long-term relationship with this person, guys. So that is the energy, guys. Let us see what they feel about this connection, what is their message for you, or what you feel about them, guys. Nothing makes me happier than holding your hands. You are the one that comes to mind when I look up at the beautiful stars. Your voice resonates deeply in my soul. So with these cards, I feel they are really happy for this connection, guys, and they feel really grateful that they are able to spend their time with you, and they love your company. They just love being there with you. So that is the way they feel about this connection, guys. That is the reading for today, Sagittarius. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.